Hello students, let's continue with the chapter lines and angles. Let's solve some questions. In figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. What are given here? Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. It is given. Again, angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. It is given that AB and CD intersect at O. These are two intersecting lines. So, what is the relation between BOD and AOC? They are vertical opposite angles. You know vertical opposite angles are equal. So, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Reason vertically opposite angles. Now, put value of AOC in this equation. That is AOC we got 40 degree. So, 40 degree plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Now you can find out BOE, angle BOE, that is 70 degree minus 40 degree, that is equal to 30 degree. Now you have to find out COE first. Then you have to find out the reflex angle COE. Now, angle AOC you got 40 degree. Angle BOE you got 30 degree. Now, AOB is a line. So, the angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. Reason you have to write in the bracket always angles on a straight line. AOC, put the values here. AOC is equal to 40 degree. Angle COE you had to find out. Angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. That is equal to 180 degree. That is 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. So, angle COE is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. That is equal to 110 degree. Now, what is reflex angle COE? How will you find out the reflex angle? That is 360 minus 110. That is equal to 250 degree. Let's solve the next question. In figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS, this angle is equal to angle PRT. So take these four angles, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know that PQ and PRR rays stand on a line ST. So, what about angle SQP plus angle PQR? We can write angle 3 plus 1 is equal to 180 because they form linear pair. So, first we have to write what are given here. Given angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ, or we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now, what you have to prove? Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now, we will write the proof here. Now, I told you 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Linear pair. Equation 1. In the same way, 2 plus 4 also is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4 also equal to 180 degree. Equation 2. This is because they also form a linear pair. Now just compare. RHS equal here, then LHS is also equal. So from 1 and 2, we get angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. But it is given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That means angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Here we are using the axiom when equals subtracted from equals, then remainders are equal. Therefore, angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Let's do the next question. In figure, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. OR perpendicular to PQ. OS is another ray lying between the rays OP and OR. You have to prove that angle ROS is equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. So what is given here? OR perpendicular to PQ. What you have to prove? Angle ROS is equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. Now, you know, since OR perpendicular to PQ, then angle POR is equal to 90 degree. That is, angle POR means angle POS plus angle ROS, that is equal to 90 degree. Equation 1. Now, you know that since OS, the ray stands on a line PQ, then angle POS and angle QOS form linear pair. So, angle POS plus angle QOS is equal to 180 degree. That is because of linear pair. Here you can write since OR perpendicular to PQ. Equation 2. Now just compare the RHS. 180 is twice of 90. Therefore, angle POS plus angle QOS twice of angle POS plus angle ROS. So we can write from 1 and 2 we get angle POS plus angle QOS, that is equal to 2 into angle POS plus angle ROS. Let's solve this. Angle POS plus angle QOS is equal to, multiply by 2 here, 2 angle POS plus 2 into angle ROS. Bring this 2 POS in LHS. Angle POS plus angle QOS minus 2 angle POS is equal to 2 angle ROS. POS minus 2 POS, that is equal to minus POS. So QOS, angle QOS minus angle POS, that is equal to 2 angle ROS. So what is angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 of angle QOS minus angle POS. Hence proved. I think you have understood these questions. This is your homework for today, and these questions are from exercise 6.1. And that's all for today. Thank you.